What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mia and this is Make It with Mia. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you back to school finds that I think you should absolutely pick up because they are great prices and you're not going to want to miss any of these deals. So I'm starting off here in Dollar Tree. I am going to show you some stuff later on from Target that are a great buy as well. But Dollar Tree has out everything you could possibly need to start off the school year. They have sticky notes, notebooks, keychains, scissors, glue sticks, notebooks, folders, binders, literally everything for school. So I think that is great because they are only $125. So I don't think that's a bad price at all. Even teachers can come here and pick up some supplies that they may need for their teacher duties and stuff like that. But you can see here all of the beautiful notebooks with the different designs. I love the dog and cat there in the bottom. They have the checkered pattern, which I picked up one for myself, I'm not gonna lie, because I love to have notebooks around to write down schedules and write down my ideas and stuff like that. So I'm always on the hunt for notebooks so I can have extra just in case. But they have a ton of beautiful notebooks that I'm sure your kid will find one that they so like, along with folders and binders and everything like that. And look how cute are these little notebooks. These are perfect to write down little schedules or just small stuff like that, or use this as a little notebook to write down your math problems, anything like that. With the little animal on the front, they have the giraffe, the bear, and the zebra. These are really cute and new because I have not seen these at Dollar Tree before. But again, they have some awesome stuff. They have pencil holders, and I did come across one that I just had to pick up because it is so cute and different. It is this large crayon pencil holder, which I think is super cute. They have it in yellow, red, and blue. So I picked one up in yellow and one in red, but these are absolutely cute and I'm sure your kid is going to love them. They do also have a ton of different pencil cases, so in case they don't like that one, they can be sure to find one that they do like. And again, you can continue to see here all of the different back to school items that they have. They even have the papers, the lined papers packs that are really great for $125. And then not to forget, if you do have a girl that loves to do her hair and everything like that and love to get new hair accessories for the school year, then do not forget to check out their hair aisle because they always have out beautiful hair accessories for only $1.25. Let's say if you get them in a different store, it's easily going to run you $5 and up because hair clips are pretty expensive. And especially if you get them in other stores, let's say Target or Walmart, things like that, they do run a little more. So $1.25 is not bad. They even have small mirrors that maybe your teenager or something can throw in their book bag. This is a little compact mirror which I'm going to pick up for my daughter because she loves SpongeBob, and this would be great to just have in your book bag because you never know. Let's just say it's picture day and you need a quick mirror to check yourself and make sure everything is good. Then you can just whip that out and have it ready. Of course, place it somewhere safely in the book bag. But they do have really nice things, and they also have a lot of hair ties and things like that, so you cannot go wrong. So taking that pencil case now, I'm going to take that pack of pens that I got actually from BJ's. The price for this was $5.99, and I don't think that's bad at all because you are getting the good brand of pens, and it comes with 24 pieces. You get pens, highlighters, and the whiteouts for $5.99. So that is a great buy. If you do have the membership, go ahead and check this out. They do have a ton of other school stuff as well, but I'm gonna open this up and place a couple of these pens, all of the highlighters, inside of that crayon pencil case. I do like to save some for throughout the year, so whenever some wears out and stuff, I can just add new ones instead of placing them all down inside at the same time. And then I'm gonna go in with these notebooks that are super pretty that I got from Target, and look at the price. It's cheaper than Dollar Tree actually, so that is not bad. 99 cents for a notebook is a steal to me, especially in today's economy. So you have to jump on this while it is 99 cents, because they are really beautiful notebooks, and they do have the matching folders, which I think the folders were 50 cents, but don't quote me on the price for the folders. I do believe they were about 50, or if not the same price. So I'm going to place that inside, and then I do have the stuff that I bought from Dollar Tree. I'm just placing them where I see fit inside of the book bag. And the scissors that I bought for my daughter are from not from Dollar Tree, but they are from Target, and Dollar Tree does sell them as well. And they are literally the same, just school scissors, so you can get them from either place. I do place them in the pencil case because I feel that is the safest place for them inside of there. Now I'm going in with this pencil case. This I got from Target with the whole haul of things. This was also $1, and I'm also going to use this pencil case just because it's great to have it as well inside of your kids' book bag, to kind of have two separate things where they can place down their items, one specifically for pens and pencils and one specifically for smaller things such as paper clips and things like that. So I do that, and that just gives it a nice organized and separated overall feel to find and get your things when you need them. And when I said that Dollar Tree literally has everything for back to school, I literally meant everything for back to school. They even have socks that I'm pretty sure your kid will find something that they like here. In amongst all of these themed socks, they are super cute and fun. And if you didn't want anything themed, they even have regular socks as you see here, so I'm sure you can find something to your liking. They even have stockings over here on the side, so a little bit of everything for everyone, which is great. And I just love the Dollar Tree has that and give people the opportunity to find what they need in a dollar store. That is beyond great. These little boxer briefs are so cute if you have a teenage boy. Now if we're talking sanitary, of course Dollar Tree always has out a ton of hand soaps, hand sanitizers, and things like that, so you can always check out this aisle so you can get your kid ready to stay nice and sanitized for their school year. You can even get a couple pumps for the classroom or things like that of the bigger bottles. They even have these keychained ones that I actually picked up because I like to hang them on my daughter's book bag. So those are great for especially for the book bag to hang on there and just have it and you know where it's at. They have these new hand sanitizing sprays with these new scents that are absolutely amazing because I love pistachio scents and everything pistachio. So I did pick one of those up and it smells great. This is where I found those paper clips. This is off to this a little side standing shelf. Dollar Tree loves to do that. It makes it easy to miss, so just make sure you look for those. And talking back to school, you are gonna want to have your kid have their electronic nice and charged. If they are taking their phones, you know how teenagers are, they always have their phones no matter what. Even if it's in school, if you do have them take their phone for safety reasons, then this is the perfect portable charger even for yourself. I absolutely love this charger, you guys, and I'm not lying. This is a really great, sturdy and durable charger. It even has the not USB, the Type-C port there in case you want to plug in your phone instead, and it also has USB. But this is absolutely great for traveling, for taking it on the road, for taking it to work, for literally just about anything. And if you didn't like black, look at this beautiful, beautiful pastel purple, which I am obsessed with this color. I don't know why, it's just so pretty. And honestly, this is my daughter's favorite color. You can see her bed sheets are in purple as well, but the color is absolutely stunning with the darker purple around the trimmings. But these chargers are a great buy, and I highly recommend that you check them out. I'm going to have the link in the description below, so when you are done watching my video, you can go check out LISEN for their portable chargers. You're not going to want to miss out on this for this year. Thank you, LISEN, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into the back to school goodies. So the book bag is just about ready. I have everything in each of its pockets where it belongs and needs to go. All of the books, folders, everything in the big pocket, along with the pencil cases, and then the tissues, hand sanitizing wipes that I picked up. I'm not gonna actually hang them on the book bag this time because she has a ton of little teddy bears and pom-poms hanging there, so for it not to look too cluttered, I'm just gonna place it right inside of the front pocket. Now this lunchbox I picked up for my daughter as well, and this, can you believe, is from Dollar Tree. This is a beautiful bento box, which I love. It has the steam release button, and they do come in different colors, and they also have other bowls as well if you didn't want that specific one, but they are great, and I only paid $5 for this one, which I think is a steal of a price for this lunchbox. It is really pretty and I love it. It has 3 different compartments, which I think is perfect for a little school lunch. They even have some bigger ones like snack boxes and things like that, and they are all very nice and sturdy boxes that they are starting to come out with and have available for you for whatever you may need it for. And they also have some themed little container boxes in case you want to do something a little bit more fun for the smaller kids, such as this one that I found that is SpongeBob. And these are super cute for when you are packing, you know, maybe some leftovers or something like that. They have the Ninja Turtles one as well, but these are super cute and fun if you want to do something a little bit more tailored to, you know, your child's liking and have a cartoon. But the lunchbox that I picked up, this bento box, it fits perfectly inside of the book bag. Obviously you want to sit it flat, not on its side, just in case it does leak. So you don't want to put it like this, but if you are going to place it inside, I do recommend just lifting up the books, placing it flat on the bottom, and then placing the books back on top. And you know, your kid obviously knows that the lunchbox is in there, so when it's time for them to grab it, they'll just go ahead and grab it and take it out. So I love that, and I love that you can find it in Dollar Tree for only $5. A little fun bonus find that I found recently at Dollar Tree are these mini totes. If you know, you know, everyone has these totes, and how cute it is to find it in those pink, in that pink color. I find that this is really nice to organize a ton of things around the house, and even if you're a teacher, you can place these in or around your desk area to organize, you know, the smaller things such as whiteout pens, paper clips, thumbtacks, little mini sticky notes. Anything and everything could go organized inside of these totes, and they also stack on top of each other just like the real thing. I thought that was super cute, and I just wanted to share with you. And thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's back to school finds, and I hope you pick up some of these items for you or your child. And I will see you all on the next video. Take care, my friend. God bless.